Step 1. Instrument installation. The BGD 867 aging chamber must be installed in a laboratory with a net area greater than or equal to 12. The laboratory must have a clear height above 2.8 m. The installation room should be air-conditioned to maintain ambient temperature between 21 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Temperatures outside this range affect experimental temperature control. After moving the chamber to the desired location, lower the adjustable feet with a wrench to secure it. Step 2. Connect the compressed air to the equipment's air inlet. The required air pressure range is approximately 0.5 MPa. The test water used in the aging chamber is for spraying purposes. An optional water purification unit can be equipped to produce 3-stage water that meets laboratory standards. Connect the pure water source to the pump's inlet. Connect the drain hose to the drain outlet. Step 3. Connect power supply. The lab must be equipped with a power supply circuit and an air circuit breaker. Requires a voltage of 3-phase, 380 V 50/60 Hz 60A. Note, the air circuit breaker must be regularly maintained and inspected by an experienced engineer. Step 4. Install test panels. First, release the test panel rack clamp springs and remove the inserts. Place the test panels onto the rack and secure them with the clamps. Note, the painted side of the panel should face the lamp, with the clamp side being the back. If certain panel positions are not used, there is no need to remove the corresponding inserts. Open the chamber front door and carefully pull out the tray to avoid scratching. Note, the black panel and black standard thermometers must be placed in the center position. Lay the test panel rack flat onto the tray. The BGD 867 has an effective exposure area of 2,800 square centimeters. It can accommodate 25 test panels of 150 mm x 70 mm at one time. Carefully push the tray back in, close the chamber door. Step 5. Turn the instrument's main power switch clockwise to start. Perform a cooling water tank refill during the instrument's initial use. Open the back door to see the water tank. Remove the float protector pads from the tank. On the top menu bar, click Manual to enter the manual menu. Click the tank inlet switch. The water pump will start refilling the tank. Refill will stop automatically when the water level reaches the top float position. Step 6. Set test program. On the top menu bar, click Program to enter the program setup interface. Click Select to select program. The BGD 867 has 4 user programs and 6 preset standard programs. Set program P1 as an example based on ISO 11341 Table 3 Cycle A. First, set the first segment. Time, under segment 1 time, click the number above to input 102. Click below to select unit min. Irradiation, under irradiance, click the number above to input 0.51. Click below to select irradiance type at 340 nm. Black panel temperature, click number to input 65 degrees Celsius. Click BPT below to switch to BST. Chamber temperature, click number to input 38 degrees Celsius. Humidity, click number to input humidity 50%. Spray, click spray column to select mode, set to off for this segment. Set the second segment. Time, under segment 2 time, input 18. Select unit min below. Irradiation, input 0.51. Select at 340 nm below. Black standard temperature, input 65 degrees Celsius. Switch remains on black standard. Chamber temperature, input 38 degrees Celsius. Humidity, input 50%. Spray, select spray mode as front. Set the third segment. Time, under segment 3 time, input 0. Note, if a segment's time is set to 0 during execution, the program will jump back to segment 1 and restart. Set total program time. Users can click the Set Energy button to switch to the Set Time option. Click the input box below the set time and enter 200 hours. Click Save to save the test program. Click Reset Time to reset instrument run time. On the top menu bar, click Monitor to enter the monitor interface. Click the Start button. The BGD 867 begins operation. The Actual Value column shows current measured values. The Set Value column shows the current segment's set values. Parameters: irradiation, chamber temp, humidity, BST, spray, segment, total time, energy, program, lamp output. The alarm indicator shows various alarm messages. The status indicator shows component/function status. Yellow indicates working status, gray indicates stop status. The Run Control buttons show the current operating state. If you need to inspect samples mid-test, click the Pause button. Restarting after pause continues from the current segment. Click the Stop button. After stopping, you can switch programs. Restarting begins from segment 1. It is recommended to divide the total test duration equally into 4 intervals. Rotate the panel positions after each interval. Click the Pause button after the first interval completes. Open the chamber door, carefully pull out the tray, and replace the test panel positions. It is advised to follow the diagram sequence for rotating panel positions across all 4 intervals to ensure uniform exposure. After completing the position changes, click Start again. Other interfaces. In the top menu bar, click on the Calibration option to access the calibration interface. Perform calibration operations here when needed. In the top menu bar, click on the Manual option to access the manual interface. Use this interface to check individual functions. Note: manual functions only available when instrument is stopped. Tank inlet, click the tank inlet switch. The water pump will start refilling the tank. Refill stops automatically when water reaches the top float. Lamp fan, click lamp fan to turn on the lamp fan. Click again to turn off this function. Chamber fan, click chamber fan to input a specific ratio for controlling the wind speed. Click OK to start the fan. Click again and select Exit to turn off this function. Humidification, click Humidification and enter 13,824. Click OK to activate the humidification function at full power. Click again and enter 0 to turn off the humidification function. 8 door, click 8 door, input size of the 8 door. Front spray, click front spray to activate. Shield wind switch, click to bypass alarms caused by insufficient air pressure when starting the lamp fan. Click again to disable this function. In the top menu bar, click on the Storage option to access the storage interface. This is the Data Storage Management interface. After startup, data is automatically saved every minute. Insert a USB drive into the USB port. Set the start time and end time. Click Data Copy to export data from that time range. The exported file is runningdata.csv. Open the file in Excel to clearly see historical data records. In the top menu bar, click on the Event option to access the event interface. This is the event log interface. View alarm messages here to help diagnose faults. In the top menu bar, click on the Maintenance option to access the maintenance interface. View maintenance info. Plan maintenance based on usage/remaining time. In the top menu bar, click on the Set option to access the Set interface. This interface allows customization of various parameters according to your specific needs.